What's going on, y'all? Check it out. We doing french fries today, y'all. But not any french fries. We doing chili cheese french fries, y'all. And we gonna fry some potato skin. But anyway, let's get it. And while you here, don't forget to give me that LSS. What's that you say? That's that like, share, and subscribe. That like, share, and subscribe. And if this is your first time here, glad you're here. Hope you become part of the LSS family, y'all. Cause we love tasty. Of course, we went on and skinned our potatoes and got them chopped up into french fries. And yeah, we ready to go. So now we gonna get us a pot of boiling water and get our fries in. Now this is to ensure that the inside of the fry is gooey and chewy and the outside gonna be crispy. And don't forget, I said we was gonna fry them potato skins, and this is what we gonna do with them peelings off of those potatoes. Fry them up until they real crispy, y'all. Oh yeah, those skins looking good frying, y'all. Just something about that frying process that always look good. But anyway, after they get crisped up, we gonna go ahead and get them out that oil. Get them on our drying rack. Around about this time, it's time to take them taters off. So we gonna go and get that off after boiling for about 5 minutes. And of course, you know we gotta rain on them tater skins. Yes, we do. Don't that look tasty? Oh my goodness. I know y'all heard that. Gotta have them crispy. Gotta have them crispy. So after about 30 minutes in the freezer, we gonna go ahead and start frying our fries up, y'all. Oh yeah. See, that's gonna ensure that the fries are good and crispy. Good and crispy, y'all. That's what I'm talking about. Can't beat a good french fry. So once them bad boys get golden brown, you know we gotta get them out that oil. Time to get them out that oil. So same thing, gotta spread them out. And of course, you know we had the rain on it. Hit them with a little salt. Little pepper. So let's build. So we got our fries. We gonna hit that with a little cheddar cheese. Some of that chili that we made when we made that chili cheeseburger. Little fresh onion. A little bit more of that cheddar on top. And a dollop of sour cream. Get a little sour cream on that fry. And look how that fry holding up to that chili. Oh my goodness. This was so tasty. So tasty, y'all. But anyway, you know what time it is. Love, peace, and keep it grilling, y'all. See ya.